What's up guys, Jake here, and today I'm going to show you how to properly set up your Facebook ads so that they're shareable. Why we believed it was important to make a video like this is because a lot of agency owners have told us that their clients are unhappy when they see that their ads aren't shareable. Customers ask, people that they know see the ads but can't share it to other people, so they tell the owners, they tell the company. When customers or people that they know see the ads and they can't share it, the word gets out and clients can be unhappy when this happens. Especially when you're running lead generation ads and you're trying to get someone for your product or service to fill out your contact info. The person who saw that ad might not be the specific customer, but if they're able to share it with someone that they know who would be interested in that service, then you'll see your conversion rates go up. So you'll be surprised, and it's a super simple process, which I'm about to show you. Let's get into it. So right here, we're in our Ready Media ad account through the Facebook Meta Ads Manager. And I am going to simply duplicate one of our lead gen ads. So you're going to scroll down here to where it says forms, instant forms, because that's what we're creating. And what you want to do is select one of your forms that you have before that you feel confident in with the questions that you ask them to pre-qualify those leads. But you're simply going to duplicate it. Boom. You're going to go to form type. Right here, you're going to hit settings, and on sharing, it's going to say open and restricted. You're going to want to click the open button so your ad can be shared and anyone can submit the form. So this is specifically for lead gen ads on Facebook and Meta. Brand awareness ads, website traffic ads, those ads can be shared by anybody. But if it's a lead gen ad and you're sending them to an instant form that Facebook has created, you have to make sure that the sharing is open. And when you do that, you simply click done, next, 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 create form. And right here, you're going to see this is the form now created and the share button is now here. So hopefully, if maybe a friend of a business owner, they see this ad, they know that that business owner has been saying that they've been struggling with marketing, hopefully this share button will help soothe that process. If you don't have it here, you know, a lot of the time your ads are going to reach the wrong people. And, you know, you want to have this share button so it gives you a better chance for conversion. So guys, that's plain and simple. It's that easy. If you have an instant form set up for your ads that you're running already, all you have to do is duplicate it, go to settings, and then click the open button to make sure it's shared. And to confirm, you'll see that share button right there. Appreciate you guys, and see you on the next video.